Welcome to the Memorial Day boxing event. First on the docket, the newcomer, Girl Lightning Bolt Skretterberg. And lastly, undisputed, oldest girl is the Maddisonator! Alright, girls. We're gonna have a clean fight tonight. No kicking. You must be on your knees. No kicking once again, Lightning Bolt. Alright, well, it's gonna be 3 rounds.
You can just call me Sarah. That's my nickname.
Alright, Sarah. We're gonna turn little Justin down. At the sound of the bell, at the sound of the bell, I want a clean fight. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! Lightning Dog going in hard, fast. Punch counts way up. Oh, a couple of high kicks there. Watch out. Maddisonator. Oh, that was a push down. That's a warning to the Maddisonator. Oh, big fight, big fight. The Maddisonator took one to the chops, I think. I'll have to wait for slow motion. Lightning Dog, right, left. Or a Lightning Dog. Lightning Dog, keep going. Quit talking. The Maddisonator definitely has a reach advantage, but Lightning Dog is tenacious. She's a pit bull. She's crazy. Oh, one off the chin. Come on, Lightning Dog, gotta get in there. Gotta get some punches. Oh, she's punching in the air. What's going on? Oh, she's getting in close. Gotta get in close. Go, Lightning Dog, keep punching. Oh, she goes in with 2 hands. Oh, Maddisonator takes. All right, 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was unfair.